The step up is a great exercise. It has a lot of applications in life when we're climbing stairs or even when we're walking. So it's a really good functional pattern to learn and to get strong in. The best place to start is with a low step. So if you have a kiddie step or even a thick book, that would be a good place to start to get the form right, because you think it would be an easy thing just to step up, but there's a lot of things that can go wrong and a lot of patterns that can, where we can learn bad habits. So let's start with good habits. And how we're going to do that is we're going to take our step, we're going to put one foot on top of it. Now, what I like to have people do is lift their toes. You can see me lifting my toes. So we don't push off using the calf. We just want to step into this leg, the working leg, and in order to do that, we lift the toes, step up, and I'm pushing into the heel of this working leg, and then I step back down gently. So you don't want to come crashing down, right? That sends a lot of force up this leg, and it's not too good for our joints. So practice by lifting those toes up. I like to also put my hands behind my head so that I don't use a lot of momentum. Come back down, nice and gentle. Step into the heel. To help you remember stepping into the heel, you can lift this foot up a little bit and then push in and lift. And down. From the front, it looks like this. Put my hands behind my head. And also make sure this, you can see my hips right here, so make sure that they don't go wild, right? So we're going to step up and down, nice and easy. So what you want to look for is you don't want your hips being all like, I'm exaggerating obviously, but you don't want them going all loosey-goosey. You want them nice and stable, lifting those toes up, stepping onto the step, and stepping back down. So that would be one repetition. This would be two. And down. When this becomes easy and you need more of a challenge, you can do one of two things. You can either get some weights, doesn't take a lot, just some, again, cans of soup, whatever. You can use your book again. Hold it to your chest, come up and down, and hold the weights to your side. Or, sorry, loud, you can get a higher step. This is quite a graduation from the other one, just to kind of show you what it looks like. These are my ottomans. They are great workout equipment. So, just making it more difficult or more challenging. Same idea, you're pulling those toes up, hands behind the head. I'm going to step in to the heel of this foot and lift myself up. And then come back down. It's more challenging because it's higher. Up. Reaching down, nice and gentle. I'll show you this way. I'll use the other leg. Back up. And nice and gentle on the way down. So no crash landings. That's the step up.